Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to see how to automate multiple window handling using Selenium Java. Okay, before we start automating, we will see the page we are going to automate. So this is the page. So here we are having a link. On clicking this link, it will open another new tab, and this will be the URL for the new URL that is open in new tab. So here we are having some text, new window. Okay, so we will extract this particular text and we will print it. Okay, after printing, we can move back to the home page and we can see whether this particular page is viewable or not. Okay, so we can go to the automation now. So here in Eclipse, I have created a Java class. Here I have added the code for opening Chrome browser inside the main method. Okay, so now what we can do is we will take the URL. I will give this URL in the description. You can also practice. To open the URL, I will pass the URL inside driver.get. Inside the double quotes, I will pass this URL. Okay. Once we are done with this, we need to click this particular click here link. Okay. So I will take the XPath for that. So once we find the XPath, we can write the code for finding that particular link and after that clicking that link. Okay, so here we have this particular attributes for this particular link web element. What we can do is we can write driver dot find element by XPath. Okay, we can use XPath for finding that particular link. So here we can write like //a. So here we are having a tag. So I have taken that. I will take the whole thing that is available under href in square bracket. I will give this href. As this is the XPath, I will give @ before that attribute. Okay. In the value, I can pass with single quotes. Instead of double quotes, we can give single quotes here. So this is the way we can write the code for finding the element for this particular click here web element. Okay, click here link. Okay, so now if you mouse over on this one, it will allow you to add web element, so you can do that. Okay, I will rename this one like this. It will start with small case. Okay, so what now I'm going to do is I need to be clicking this, so I will write click here dot link dot click. Okay, I will use this method. So now this will go and click this particular link. After clicking this one, it will open a new window. Okay, so now here we are switching manually. In order to do the switch, we need to write a code for switching from here to there. Okay, first we will run this, then only you will understand how the automation is happening. Okay, so up to this level we will automate first. In the bottom I will write driver.quit. Okay, so then only it will be quitting the browser. Before that I will add some wait time. For 5 seconds I will wait. Now I am going to run this. It will open the link, and on clicking that link it will open the new tab. Okay, here you see it opened the new tab. Now this uh, actually on clicking this it moved to the new tab, but you cannot access that particular web element available in that new tab. Okay, we need to switch to that particular, in order to access this new window, we need to switch to that particular window. Okay, so earlier we have seen how to handle switching to a new tab or new window. Okay, so there we will not be clicking any link or something, so we will be opening a new tab or new window, then we will be having some URL in that. Okay, that's the way we have done before. If you not watched that video, you can go and watch. Okay, so opening a new tab and opening some URL in that, and opening some new window in URL like this, and loading some URL in that. So these things we have discussed in the previous sessions. You can go and watch. Currently what we are trying is, on clicking this link, it is opening a new window. We are not doing anything. Okay, so here we need to switch to that particular window. So in order to switch, we need to get some reference of this particular window. Okay, so they have provided some option for getting the reference. Okay, so we can get the reference by using, there is a method given from Selenium, window handle. Okay, if you give that, it will be giving, generating some ID for, unique ID for each window, whatever that is open. Okay, so we can explore that also. Before we click, what we will do is driver dot get window. Okay, window handle and window handles, we have two methods given from Selenium. Okay, if you give get window handle, it will get only the current one which is open. Okay, here it will be getting only the home page ID. Okay, it will be generating ID. I will show you in some time. Okay, so we can write in this way. So this will get the ID for this particular page which is open initially. Okay, so it will be giving in the form of string. So I will mention like home page. Okay, I will tell you why we are getting this particular ID or this reference. Using this only we are going to switch. Okay, so in some time we will get to know. So before we click, we need to get this particular ID. After that we are clicking, so it will open a new window. Now we are having two tabs in that particular window. Okay, even that is a tab or window, that doesn't matter. Okay, using this we can get the ID for both tab and window. Okay, even here totally we are having three. So if I give get window handle, it will take the first particular tabs ID or reference. Okay, when we are having get window handles, it will be taking all the three tab that is open in this particular window. Okay, so currently we have this particular ID which we have stored in the home page string. Okay, here I will mention like reference. Okay, home page window reference. Okay, we will mention in this way. So on clicking this, we need to get the another, all the windows also. Okay, so here on clicking this, we will be having totally two window. Okay, ignore this one. On clicking this, you will be having two windows. We need to get the ID of this particular window and this particular window also. Not window, tab. These two tabs we need to get the ID. Then only we can switch from here to there. Okay, so in order to do that, what we can do is driver dot get window handles. Okay, using this particular windows handles method, you will get all the ID that is available in this particular window. Okay, here you see it will generate the ID for this one, and it will be stored in set. Okay, So we have written this code. So what we can do is we can write inside a for loop. So we are going to iterate it. Instead of this, what we can do is for each. Okay. So now we are going to, we will store this inside a variable all window handle. So it will be a set, okay, set of strings. So I will pass. So here we are having two IDs of this particular tabs, this one and this one, okay. So now we are going to iterate. Okay, I will mention all window. Okay, now here we are having, here we have stored the home page reference. Okay, here we will be having two references. So what I will do is I will write a if condition stating if this particular all window, okay, here we are having all the id reference in all window. So what I will write, all window equals content, you can write equal ignore case. Okay, so if it is equal to, here we are having the home page reference. So when this is not equal to home page, then what we can do is we will switch to that particular. So we are having a for loop and it will take the home page ID. Okay, first it will pass the home page ID and it will not match to that one, so it will not be coming inside the loop. Okay, for the second time it will be having the second new tabs ID. So this one, this reference will be coming inside. So this particular window handle ID will be passed inside this one and it will not match to it. Here we have given when this is not matching only it will be allowing inside this particular if condition. Okay, what we can write is all window, sorry, driver dot switch to window. Okay, so here in window I need to pass this one all window. So when it is not matching the home page, then only it is allowing inside this one. Okay, so it will be switching only when the id of this particular second window is matching to it. Okay, for the first iteration it will not be coming inside. So after switching we can get the xpath for that particular. After that I need to break. Okay, I should not be having this loop, so I am breaking this. Once this is matched, it will come out of the for loop. After that, now we have switched to the new tab. What we are going to do is, here we are going to get the text of this particular new tab window. Okay, so here it is mentioned like new tab, so h3 tag is there. So what I will write, driver dot find element by tag. Okay, tag name. So here I will mention h3. So here they are given only one h3 is available. So what we can do is I will write h3 and I will write text in second window. Okay, second tab or window, whatever it is. So here when I mouse over, so here I need to give dot get text. Okay, I need to get the text in that. So it will be printing the string. So here I need to print the text in the second window. Okay, so I will print and display here. Okay, so I will take the same thing and I will print here also. Then only you will understand what is there in the home reference. Okay, similarly here also I will print all window. Okay, so here it will print the home page ID reference. Here it will print all the references available. Okay, both the tab will be printed here. Okay, after we have switched to the second window using this particular for loop conditions. For loop and if condition, if it is matching, it will be switching to that second window. Okay, after that it will break. So then we are coming to the second page and here we are going to get the text of this particular second new tab. Okay, so after that what we are trying is we will wait for some time and we can switch to the home page just to understand the like switch how it is happening. I will pass the home page reference. Okay, I already have the home page reference. So when you pass this, it will be switching to the home page. So here also I'm giving 5 seconds wait, then we can understand how it is happening. Okay, so now we can run and check how it is happening. So here what I will do in order to identify whether this is present in home page or not, home page URL I will print. Okay, driver dot get current URL. If I print this, it will be giving the home page URL. Then that means that it switched to that particular page. Okay, so I will run it. Now you see the page is loaded. Now it is switched to the new window. It is going to print the get text. Now it moved to the home page again. Okay, now it is going to print the URL. Okay, so in order to understand even better, what I will do, I will, after switching to that window, okay, we are switching here, right? We will print second tab page URL. Okay, I will print here. Now we will understand. I will rerun. Okay, now it clicked the link and it moved to the second win tab. Now it moved to the home page and closed. Okay, so initially here we are having a ID reference that is for home page. So in the second time we are printing the whole thing. This is for the second tab that is open using that link. Okay, when we are clicking that link, it is opening a new tab. This particular ID reference is for that. Okay, so what we are doing is we are iterating this one inside this, and when it is matching, not matching to the home page, that means that it is the second new tab. So we are switching to the second new tab and we are passing here. Okay, so using window we can switch to that particular. When you are having window, if you are giving the reference, it will be switching to that window. Okay, that's all I have for today. So we will meet in another new video with new content. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.